Ako si Benedict Joseph Lafortes Vibar, incoming second year sa program na Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Sa loob ng Letran, ako ay isang typical na estudyante sa program na nursing. Halata naman sa mga pins ko na I am a registered nurse loading. So, 3 years pa. And outside Letran, I am a typical 19-year-old guy na actually ngayon, I am a volunteer under the SPS program sa ating Red Cross Calamba na nagseserbisyo sa pag-aali ng dugo, sa pagkuha ng... Doon na rin ako nakapag-practice kung paano nga ba kumuha ng dugo sa mga pasyente. And aside from that, I'm also into pageantry. Sa nagdaang Ginoong Kalamba, I am able to get the crown of Ginoong Kalamba Buhayani 2025. Also, the Mr. Nursing 2025 and also, of course, the Mr. Letran 2025. During my last academic year, there is this particular subject na I am talagang nasubok ng panahon. Nagdaan yung buong subject na yon na imbes sa uluhin namin siya. With the help of our instructor, even online, there are techniques na tinuro sa amin na mas maintindihan at mas ma-appreciate pa yung subject na yon, which really helped me personally as a nursing student na hirap magsaulo. Nakita ko kasi kung gaano kahirap yung mga pinagdadaanan ng ating mga frontline heroes sa nagdaang pandemic. Nung simula nung enrollment at hanggang ngayon, during my first year, I fell in love with the art of nursing. My favorite part of that is how Letran really emphasizes on celebrating its students and empowering them kung ano yung mga gusto nilang tahakin. Aside from having our academic organizations, we do have the sports and actually passion-wise. What makes Letran unique for me as a student is how Letran enables and empowers us students to actually have the independency that us students seek for. Hindi dahil pinapabayaan kami dito, pagkus binibigyan kami ng espasyo para mas maging independent and actually mas mapalawak pa kung ano yung mga kaya naming abilidad, gaya na lamang ng mga organizations na meron kami na may mga nabubuong grupo ng estudyante na nagsusulong ng iba't ibang aktibidad, gaya na lamang ng Psychological Function Society na meron tayo na pinapangalagaan yung mga mental health ng mga estudyante. And another one is to be a part of the Red Cross Youth that I actually am looking forward to for this coming school year. I am actually happy na here in Letran, there is a dedicated subjects for us college students to enable our growth spiritually, to actually help us focus, get to know what is beyond our religion, and to actually get to know ourselves more. There is this one time na I am welcomed by the CMD or the Campus Ministry Department in which I am looking for any advices that I am needing. And by that short time, I realized na a strong foundation of hope and the faith in myself is the thing that I am looking for as an answer for my problems I am experiencing. The things that I can share as a nursing student and kung ano nga ba yung mga nagustuhan ko being a Letranite nursing student is how yung mga return demonstrations na meron kami, we are always guided by our clinical instructor. Hindi sila para manakot ng mga estudyante gaya namin. Bagkus talagang ginagabayan nila kami, nagtatawanan. During that learning process, hindi lang siya informational eh. Mas nag-enjoy din kami sa aming kinuhang kurso. Di ko Di ko inisip na mawawala ka pa.